The third parts of the plant are the leaves. So we will discuss the leaf and their parts. We have all the leaves you can see here. So basically leaves are thin, flat and usually green in color. Now what is the function of leaf? The basic function is the preparation of food for the plants. So leaves form a very important structure for the plants. The part of the leaf which is attached to the stem, which is attaching the leaves to the stem rather, are known as the petioles. So you can see the petiole. Now you can see that the base of this petiole is having some small parts of the plant. Those small parts are known as the stipules, right? Next we can see that on the leaf we have these small pores present. These small pores or holes are known as the stomata, and these are responsible for the exchange of gases that takes place in case of plants. Also the water is lost by the plants through this hole only, that is through stomata. Now why is the plant, you can see these leaves of the plant green in color? That is due to the presence of chlorophyll. So chlorophyll is helping the plant to produce food, and you can see this leaf which is not green is also having some chlorophyll, right? So all the leaves have chlorophyll. Now this is the mid-rib. As you can see, it is the mid-line, or you can say the line of symmetry for any leaf. So the mid-rib is the vein, or you can see the rib is dividing the leaf into two equal parts. So this line or vein is known as the mid-rib or main vein for the leaves.